I don't know why it is difficult as adults for us to make friends, especially as girls. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ejelechi. If it's the first time you're seeing this gorgeous girl, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I drop a video. And if it's not, hi love, welcome back. You guys know on this channel we're always talking about self-awareness, personal development, and all of those good stuffs, beauty and the rest of it. And today I'm going to be addressing something that I'm always talking about on my channel. I'm always talking about you having the right set of persons around you, having the best friends, having your own tribe and your own crowd. And trust me, I understand that making friends as adults is something that is kind of difficult. Like, I don't know how we got here, but during our younger days, maybe in school and all of that, it's always easier to make friends. But as people get older, it becomes a bit more difficult for persons to actually make friends. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make friends as adults. How to make friends as adults. I want to say you should get comfortable with being alone. Get comfortable with yourself. Don't just go out to make friends because you feel like you're lonely or all of that, but you need to get comfortable with being alone, because making friends is definitely not going to solve everything. It does help, but you need to actually get comfortable with being alone. So without wasting so much time, let's jump straight into the video. It's absolutely normal for friendships to evolve and fade with time. So how do you build meaningful relationship, meaningful friendships with someone new? This is going to be a very short video without wasting so much time. The first way that you can make new friends actually contradicts the topic of today's video, which is reconnecting with old friends. If you are actually out to look for meaningful relationship with people, I would suggest you can reconnect with old friends that probably you moved away and you guys kind of drew apart, or they moved away. You know someone that it's like that, and you can relate with that person, or you deem that person worthy to be a friend, you can try and reach out to that person. Probably they've moved back to the same city where you are or something. You can try reconnecting with your old friends, because these people might actually know you more. It's actually easier to reconnect with old friends than it is to actually, become friends with new persons. So if you are out to make friends, I would suggest that you look into your old friends that you guys didn't really fall off, you guys just stopped talking, or something happened, distance, something happened that you guys stopped talking. You can try reconnecting with old friends. Another place that you can make friends is making friends with your co-workers. Trust me, I understand the work-life balance. Yes, sometimes you wouldn't want to mix your personal life with your actually work life, but sometimes if you look deeper, you can actually find some co-workers that you can be friends with. It happens that some people work together, and then you guys can decide to meet outside the office, go for a drink, go for something, and you will be amazed that you actually connect with this person a whole lot. So looking at co-workers is actually another place that you can make friends. So try making one of your co-workers your friends. Of course, that person has to go through the test of testing if this person can actually be a friend, but you can be open to it. Open up to someone. I'm not saying you should start sharing your secrets or all of that, but you guys can actually go on a drink date, lunch date somewhere outside the office to get to know the person. And sometimes you can actually meet someone that can go ahead to become a friend for life. So yes, try that. Another way that you can make friends is by joining a local group. You can join a book club, you can join a sports club, a running club, something. There are a lot of groups for different interests: dog club, book club, sports club, running club, a whole lot of things. If you are actually in a place that you are looking to make friends, you can actually join one of these groups. And I would suggest that if you do that, if you're joining any of this group or something, you should probably go alone, join some of these groups alone, because chances are if you go in with a friend already, someone is your friend already, and you guys go to this place, you would actually remain friends with this person because you're definitely you know some, you're comfortable with that your friend already. But if you're looking at making new friends, more friends, you want to socialize more, I would suggest you go to these places alone, sign up for these groups alone. That way you would be able to interact with other persons around you, and you never can tell what might happen there. So try to leave your house more often. Yes, join one of these groups, volunteer for something, join a gym, join a sports club, something. You would be amazed with what you might find. Another cool way that you can make friends is via social media. Yes, a whole lot of persons have met their friends through social media. I actually love making friends through social media because that way you get to, you study this person and then you see if this person can actually be a friend, and you can start by sending out messages and all of that. And if that person is open to it, you guys can actually meet somewhere and maybe the vibe flows, the person is in, you're in for it. I would say that if you're looking out to make friends, you should be ready to actually make moves. You have to make the first move. You don't need to wait for that other person to make the move. You can make the move, and then when they reciprocate, fine and good. If they don't, then you move on to the next. Social media is actually a cool place for you to make friends. You can make friends on Facebook, on Instagram, on Thread, on Twitter. There are a lot of these apps that you can meet people. And I also know that there are some, friend app. Yes, I think there are some friends app. It's not just about dating apps. There are some friends app that you can swipe. There are people like you that are also looking to make friends, that you can swipe and make friends with people that are also looking to make friends. You can make friends with genuine people that are also looking out to make friends. Another way that you can make friends is by making friends with your friends' friends. Yes, one way that this can come in handy is probably you're moving into a new state, and you do not know anybody there. You can also talk to your friends and be like, yes, I'm moving to this place, do you know anybody? And trust me, that's when you will be certain that people are willing to actually connect friends with friends more than they are willing to connect to a relationship, whatever. So your friends can actually pair you up with their friends that are actually in a different state where you are moving to. That way you get to that place, you have people that seem like they know you well enough, and you have people that you can actually trust a bit, because your friends will actually give you information about this person, and you guys can connect and you guys can become friends. That is how you can make friends if you're moving to a different country, different state. In doing all of these things, I want to give you some tips on how you can actually be able to talk to people. I would say that a compliment goes a very long way. Yes, if you see someone you like and you want to be friends with that person, maybe in a group, in a club or something, in church, in the gym, you can start by complimenting that person. Compliments has a way of making people open to you. Yes, they can talk to you. You can, oh, I like your hair, it's really nice, I like your shoes, it's really nice. Yes, that can kickstart a conversation. If you want to make friends, I would want to say you have to be really ready to put yourself out there. You have to be open to a lot of things, and you have to be ready to put yourself out there. You have to be ready to make some compromises, to go out once in a while, to have lunch dates, have, all these dates, hang out, indoor hangouts, and a whole lot of other things. I hope this video actually helps you if you are in the place where you want to actually make more friends. You can try out these tips that I've suggested in this video, and if you have other ways that you make friends, you can also let us know at the comment section, because I don't know why it is difficult as adults for us to make friends, especially as girls. It's very difficult. Guys can just make friends easily. They see a guy they know, they're like, what's up, before you know what's happening, they are friends. But for ladies, it's kind of very difficult for you to just become friends just like that. So these tips can actually help. If you also have something you want me to talk about, please let me know at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I drop a video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.